What is Shield Recipe Client? Today, while idly glancing at my expensive list of Firefox add-ons, I saw something called Shield Recipe Client that I do not remember installing or even hearing about. A quick web search gave me nothing useful, a few conversations about viruses that may or may not have had any relevance at all, a Mozilla wiki page that told me it was likely a thing but told me nothing about what it did, and some stuff in languages other than English, and I know useful search results are running out when I see languages other than English. I attempted to disable the add-on, but nothing happened. Going back to the add-ons list, it had disappeared entirely. Not a trace of it, disabled or not. What is this thing? Is it still there? Should I start wearing a tinfoil hat and or nuke the machine from orbit?
You should look at the links provided at the bottom of the Mozilla wiki page you cite. Seems like a Firefox system add-on under development. Those add-ons are installed by Mozilla and are not user controllable. The Shield Recipe Client purpose appears to be to give Mozilla a further means of snooping around in your browser and performing actions, such as presenting survey questions, based on the results.
Shield is a system that addresses user attrition and satisfaction in Firefox by providing a fast and powerful way for Firefox to interact with our users. User-facing products powered by Shield include Shield Studies recruits users to participate in testing new features and ideas that help us validate product decisions. Our users tell us what to ship. Heartbeat gathers feedback from users for us to better understand what users find helpful and useful. Source.
Can it be removed? CCleaner is greater than tools is greater than browser plugins. Note, this had to be an answer I need 50 reputation to comment. I posted because I thought was very relevant.